They are repairing the house. I mean the roof. Is what they are repairing. Good morning, guys. How you all doing? I'm just waking up. My kids have already gotten ready to go to school. Yeah, they are set to go to school. Okay, it's just for me to take them, and I have work to do. I want to sweep. As you guys know, all I do is indoor content mostly. Okay, pardon my face. See, I'm just waking up. Baby girl just waking up. Okay, so I just said I should say hi to you all. Welcome back to another vlog. How you guys doing? It's a beautiful day, a sunny day at that. Yeah, if you can see, you see that there are sun on the floor, like on the ground. You see the shadow? Yeah, it's a sunny day. Apart from the ground, you also see that this is the sunny day outside. The weather is giving what it's supposed to give. It's so cool, beautiful. No, so how you guys doing? I have things to show you guys later. I have lots of things to show you all. So how you please, if you are just coming across this face for the first time, please do me well to subscribe. See this subscribe button that is right here. Help me to subscribe, put on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I put out a video. You'll be the first to watch it. My baby wants to say hi. I say hi. Say hi. Hi. I said. So you'll be the first to see the video and like as well. Please like. These are my girls going to school already. Why did you put your jacket? No, this one is see what you did to it yesterday now. Can't you see it? Okay. Okay, so I don't know. Why you not running? Why you running out of the camera? You don't have camera to catch you. So you said you want to open YouTube channel and you are running. How will you be able to do your YouTube if you are running? If you want to wash before you come out, you go wash your ass up. So
why am I in your video?
Put your jacket and wear that one.
You have to watch in the video.
You don't carry your spoil this zip. Yeah, now show away the trouser. I will never throw it away. Never. You know how much?
I'm not buying another one.
I don't see bottle. If I see hey, I'm not gonna give it. If I see a bottle now,
Can you want to do your YouTube channel? Are you sure?
Yes, Papa.
No.
Ha,
Look
ha,
what they're doing.
Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa. Yes,
Why do you
Papa.
yourself?
Open your mouth. Ha ha. And other family has a dog. Yeah, you. The quack quack there, the quack quack there, the quack quack everywhere, quack quack. Other family.
You know, I learned a new dance for school.
Which dance?
Yeah, like this. Another we.
It's the dance that you guys are going to do on Carnival Day.
Yeah, and now the break dance. Break dance where I already dance. She want to like this. Yeah, they already do this. You don't even know how to do it. Yes. So can you do like this?
Is this one dance?
Like this one, no, I'm ready.
Is this one dance? Stand up.
She want to do break dance.
This one is not dance.
And then another they show me.
My daughter is going to school. Going to school. Hi, school girl. Bye. She's shy. She's camera shy. Camera shy. Oh, she's cute. I told you guys that we're working on that house. You see someone on the top trying to remove one or two things. So guys, we're going to school. If you see, a lot of students are running to school now. It's time for school. Where are you running to? Oh, okay. You see them. They are all happy going to school. The school is not that far from my house. No, it is not. Well, it's not even up to 3 minutes walk. 3 minutes walk from my house to the school. But because when you get there, they don't normally used to open door early, like the gates. They don't open gates. Oh yeah, come this way. Car is coming, and I'm telling her to go the side that I am. She's still standing in the middle of the road. Which kind of tension be that one? They worry you. I want to dog that story. God forbid I reject it. So they don't normally used to open door early, so you have to wait. I think they have opened it. Oh, thank God, they have opened the gate now, making it easy for me to go, to take her inside. Than me standing because I don't carry my baby. I just look at him for him because the cold there is not good. Cold is too cold. Hey, pass this way. Let's say they misbehave. So I believe they just opened the gate newly. As you can see, there are a lot of children are walking. Yeah. So I just finished taking her to school, and next we are going to be doing now is sweep, arrange, and one or two things for we to be able to keep ourselves together. I want to cook today. I'm going to be cooking like white yam pepper soup with goat meat, and I think that's all. Well, all of those things that I make sure that more that I did make sure are going to be in this vlog. So if you are coming across this face for the first time and you're thinking of clicking out, my love, don't. Stay with your baby girl and you're going to enjoy every clip that is in this video, okay? And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and also put on your bell notification. It's very important for you to put on your bell notification. It's going to make you to get notified every time I put out a video, okay? So let's go home because the hand I'm using to hold this camera, my phone, it is freezing, and there's this tiny bit of sun that is deceiving. The sun is not sunny, it's just there for dear sake, and there's a lot of breeze, a lot of breeze for you to even think that there is sun. No, Everything is just breeze and cold. So I'll get back to you guys later. For now, peace out. So when I want to take them to school, this is what I normally put on. It's an overall dress. It's a night wear, but because of the cold, baby girl has turned it to. I've turned it to this errant dress. So I'm going to be arranging some of the things that are scattered in this place. Okay. When you ask them to come and pick one thing, they'll just scatter. Oh. What is Spoon doing in here? Is Daddy going to wear this cloth back? Me, I don't understand. Go. I'm not your carry the push person. You don't know how the person is stand. You have to ask me, Mommy, are you standing well? Can I push you? Oh, push me one day, push my spirit, come up on my body. Okay, I think everything is kind of intact now. Just let's go and work on any other place. She's hiding her sister's nails polish inside her under her pillow. I told them to buy what do you call it? To buy a gift for them, like all those jewelry, you know. And she picked something that was so I don't know how to put it. But the thing wasn't good at all. When she picked it, I was like, okay, it is good, it will keep you busy. But then the thing got home and she started opening them, everything, and it became a dirty. And at the same time, I was afraid that my baby would and start getting it. So I have this bunch of clothes to fold later. So I have to beg her to fix it out. Why do my senior daughter fix nails and nail polish? And she has been enjoying it since then. Like she paints her nails 1 million times a day. Because she said she doesn't want her finger to look like to be without nails. I'm going to be folding this cloth later. Okay. Until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Touch.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we can be okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Hey, stop.
As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay.
I've judged against myself now. It's not a new aspirator, but the aspirator wasn't given what I wanted. It was used for few months, and I just have to do away with it. You know, that kind of thing. So, and I started using strong brush, like strong broom, to brush the rug.
Doing. I started to do. Whatever.
So, my husband bought kebab for me yesterday. He said I should eat. I enjoyed every bit of it. And I gave my kids, I gave them inside. What we don't normally buy for them now is that they do nonsense with that kebab a lot. They don't respect food. They don't have respect for food. That's the word. They don't have respect for food. They think because they just have it, whenever they want it, they have it. Things like that. They don't have respect. So just have to tell them that life is not that easy. In life, you work before you eat. And I don't know what this thing I work on now has. because the work was too much. I started when I took my kids to school on that particular day. I started around 9 something or 9 o'clock, or not even up to 9, because I think I started early because I wanted to finish early. Okay, I mopped the whole house. I mop, I clean, like clean, total clean. It was a total cleaning on that particular day. These glasses were all clean. I cleaned everything with glass cleaner, table cleaner, spreading new clothes, washing our windows, like outside windows. I washed it on that day. So, like, all this thing I'm saying with my mouth, it's not as if it's that easy. The only regret that I have that day is that not I wasn't able to film, because my baby was all over me. When I mean all over me, was all over me, wanting me to carry him. Him wanting me to carry him and all that, not minding that I was busy. Okay, he wasn't minding that mommy is busy, let me give her space. But was hot over me. And at that moment I realized that if I set up this camera to film, it's going to break my phone. As you guys know, I film with my phone. Okay, so, and I was afraid because I don't want him to do anything that would damage my phone. It's been days now, and we are good to go. We have moved on. I just thought of letting you guys know. Well, any of you say you said you want to clean your house and you did not do it. Yes, I did, my love. I did, just that I didn't film it. I think that was the first proper cleaning. Then we start music. Even the back of this place, this corner here, was all of them were clean on that particular day. I can make sure that everywhere is clean properly. My kitchen, if you look at the floor and go back and look at the other video that I upload, not the second to this one, no, neither is it the third to this one. I can't remember. I'm going to see how my floor of my kitchen is because of the sticker that we bought and plaster on the floor. That's why we have those things. Some are still here, refuse to go. Okay, gone. They are gone. They are sticking to the floor. So that's why we're having it. It was difficult in cleaning them up. better let me hear word. You better let me hear word. Yeah, the talk to Nana, not the hear word. So guys, it is raining. Very heavy. Oh, yeah, come to mine. Even myself, I'm eating it. I'll tell you how yummy it is. Yeah. So guys, we finished it. Well, I did it much just for me to look the other of the spoon so that it will not stain my bed or anywhere at all. That is what I normally do. So I finished it. I'm just scraping the last one because it's delicious. It's yummy. I want to go and drop the plate. This is what we have. I'm just going to pour water inside for it to soak a little bit. But this thing can be silky, right? Sticky, sticks a lot. My kids will soon come back from school to come and eat before going back. So I already have in my back of my that they are going to be eating Indomie, which is here. And apart from that, well, later I will be cooking. So later I will be cooking the goat meat yam pepper soup. Yam. So I hope this yam will not fail me today. I hope it will not fail me. Okay, it's still intact. But this one is not going to be enough. We are just going to manage it. I can't go to the supermarket. Mostly when it comes to using
it comes to using money to go to the supermarket. Baby girl, whenever I think about it, thinking about the stress and taking baby along, the stress is going to be too much. So I just stayed at home. When my husband come back from work, he take me there mostly. That is how lazy your baby girl can be these days. Very lazy. So guys, I came to this place, my dining, to come show you guys the hair that I said I'm going to be showing you all later. My baby is watching cartoon and I don't want the video to be, the sound to be in my video. If you know, you know. So I have this wig. They are not human hair. They are not human hair. It is 180 density, like a blended hair, but it was still written a synthetic when I bought it. Okay, it was written a synthetic, but 180 density. Okay, this is 32 inches hair, like is it 22 or 32 inches, red number 2. Okay, and it's a 360 lace frontal. Okay, 360 lace frontal. Going to be opening it. It's a pure red. So you see why I said it's not a human hair. Okay, in case you're wondering, it is not. See that, but I love the hair. You can hardly tell. Let me use my brush. You can hardly tell that is not a human hair. See how sleek, silky, silky. English is English, your mute. You see how silky it is. See, you can hardly tell. If you are not the type that knows hair, you will hardly tell that it is like a blend of synthetic. This is not that synthetic. I bought two. One is singing synthetic and this one is not singing that synthetic hair. Okay, I love the hair. This is the inches, and coming down, you see inside the 360 hair, 360 blended wig or blended hair. Voila. Okay, this is how it comes. This is the side that has laps. Okay, you see, when I said laps, and this is the other side that have laps. If you see it here, you see, and this side is also like that. Okay, see guys, will you tell if this is a blended hair? Will you tell even if it's a synthetic? Like my hair is, I haven't weaved my hair. If not, I would have tested it for you all to see. I watched it yesterday and I combed it in a bob way. My children came back from school and I was like, my first daughter was like, is it your hair, your natural hair? And I said yes. She said she have to touch it to to believe that that was my hair. Like seriously, I don't love the wig that much, but I do, and I don't wear it as always that much. So why doubting if it is my hair? So I was just wondering. See, can you see the beauty? Can you see? I actually bought this from Temu, in case you're wondering. If you want my link, I'll put it down in the description box. Okay. You see that? It's silky, it's so beautiful. Okay, let's keep this back to where it came from. Now that I bought, this is my first 360 wig. I know it is, and it's not a human hair, no problem. I love the texture, it doesn't really matter. But the thing is that I haven't tried it on my scalp, if it's going to size my head first of all. Because the baby girl has not that big head, but at least it's still big. So I don't know, but I kind of believe it will size my scalp. So I kept it back to where it came from. As you guys know, I always love to keep my hair back whenever anything at all, like on packaging, unboxing, unboxing everything. When I just threw with that thing, I put it back immediately before going ahead with the next one. So this is the one that normally speak. I'm a synthetic, not even blend. I don't know if because of the texture. I saw the video, I saw the review when they did it. The review they gave, the lady was speaking like it is too synthetic. But because of this color, I went ahead to still buy it. I wanted to ask for a refund. The person did not give me. He said I should return the hair. That is how staging some people can be. Do you see? Do you see why I said this one is speaking synthetic? He's speaking, I'm synthetic. Have human hairs, like I have human hairs. If you see, like if I buy like 20, if I have 20 hair, inside I may have three synthetic or blend hair, I don't know. Yeah, so the rest will be human hair, because sometimes you just have to deceive the deceiver. You have to deceive people. I can't really tell the inches of this one because yesterday I threw out the nylon, except I will be going back to where I bought it from and writing the inches of this particular wig on the description. If you are the type that you cannot really afford that human hair thing, you can just go with this. It has this smell, but I will be washing it and removing the smell from it, or using my spray to remove the scent or the smell, I don't know, to remove it from it, if that is the right word. But I love it though. I love it. It's so cool on the skin. Okay, it's very, 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 very cool. Understand that's what I'm saying. Okay, yeah. So this one is not a 360, okay? It's a frontal wig. Deep to this extent, you see, it's curved this way. Some will just go like round. This one is curved, okay? It's not that type of wig that will just, like you see some wig when you buy them, this where this place is reach, this place will be out, to be this neck, not the cap, okay? But this one is curved, and I love the material, the net they use. Okay, it's so good and it's so super nice. For someone that cannot afford human hair, you can go for this. Okay, even if you can afford human hair, sometimes save money and buy this type. Just, I'm going to be installing it maybe on another video, okay, on another vlog. English. On another vlog, on another vlog. Yeah, that should be it. I'm going to be installing it on another video. So I beg, may I stop that word? So this is how it's looking, okay? And if you are not the type that still know that this is synthetic, you will not be able to tell, because it's showing more than the red one. But I love the red one more than this, but this one is still giving because of the color. Okay, so I'll be keeping it as well. Keep that aside. Very important. So I keep the paper inside. Understand? Do you get me? The net is not covering everything, so that's why you are seeing flying heads. Flying heads, flying heads. Where are you flying to? Flying heads, flying heads.
I'm going to be putting the picture of the hair one side for you guys to see how much I bought it and the inches as well. Okay, so I think that, I mean, for this wig showing, display, unpack, unboxing, I don't know, yeah. So my kids will soon come back from school, and I don't know. Don't, you see them. You see them when they come back. Whenever they come back, everywhere that I arrange will be upside down. That's what they normally do. So I also bought this wash. I haven't showed you guys before. So I bought this wash from Temu as well. It will show you the degree in your room, which is this up one, 23 degree. Now it's not showing the normal time. Yeah, I know. I can't still set it up, but I set it up actually, but the thing is that the time I use in setting this date has not reflected yet. I don't know why. I don't know. So it's showing PM here, but the actual time is 11:40 now. But this PM is what I don't know. It's supposed to be showing AM and not PM. And yesterday was Monday, and yesterday date is 17. Today's supposed to be 18. When it gets to this 12 o'clock now, this thing will change from 17 to 18, and then it will show Tuesday, but that PM will no longer be there. I don't know. I've tried to Google how it is. I did not see it. I was even the one that first of all be able to get it. Some people will just unpack the most of the video that I'm seeing on YouTube is unbox with me, unbox my enemy electric wash, I don't know, wall clock. That's what I've been seeing, but how to set it up, I haven't seen it. I was the one that set it up to this extent. I think I'm going to be putting out my own on how to set it up properly to this extent. At least you can find a way on how to set yours up later. You understand? Proper way. Well, I just want to show you guys. Isn't it cute? It has different color. So it has different color. If you want to turn on switch the color, this is the remote that came with it. Okay, you just click on this enhance. Understand? This, you see, before it was red, now it's green, and now is deep green, deep green. I don't know why it's not showing that. Now it's blue, sky blue, and now it's royal blue. Now it's light purple, you know, different color. You see, very beautiful, very beautiful. Okay, yeah, I love red. That's why in the evening when I want to sleep, I always keep it at red. That's why you see red there. And I'm still leaving it at red. And if you want to make it bright, it has still bright. This is the first one. This is the second one, like to, and this is the last one if you want to sleep. But this is the first one, like you are not sleeping, but you want your room to have that color. So this is what this one have here. No, just switch. No. So I want to cook. I want to make a meal for them, including myself, to eat. Indomie, egg. Ojo ti kele yi. I'm trying to pour in hot water so that it will stop cooking. Don't want it to be too soggy. So it's cold now. Yeah, stop cooking. this year. Add a little bit of garlic and adding a little bit of thyme to give it the flavor that I want it to give. So you know if you collect that thing for that pikin and that bee, now you go cry put. So for the indomie to still have the indomie flavor, I'm adding the seasoning. If you know, you know. Agili balasita. So I'm adding 4 instead of the amount of the indomie that I had. I'm only adding 4. Oh, that food. So I just added my pepper. Going to be frying that for a minute. Going to cook. So I'm adding in my egg. So I'm going to give that a stir. So I'm adding in my indomie. I'm going to be stirring this to combine. So I've stirred it. I mean, I've mixed. Will you leave him alone? I've mixed everything. Just need a pinch of salt. So guys, it's ready and we are just going to be eating it inside the pot. I wish Miracle quick come now. Why you want to put water for yourself?
2,000 years later.
So I'm making my yam pepper soup. These are mug of the goat meat that I washed yesterday. Okay, I've seasoned it. I added onions, as you can see. I added 2 Maggi cube, and I added garlic powder and salt, nothing else. And this is the yam that I'm going to be cooking. It's just 1 yam. Adding more water because I want the goat meat to cook very well. So let's switch off water. And this is my baby food. So I'm microwaving it. Going to be hot.
So this is a few minutes later. My baby refused to eat his food. This weather is just dealing with them all. I don't know. So in here I have pepper, garlic, and what's it called? I have turmeric, I have crayfish, I have onions, and I think that's all. Yeah, going to be pouring it inside. So I'm going to be stirring it, of course. I have this water is not too much. I hope so. So I'm going to be adding the yam inside. I've washed it before. Guys, I want to end this video here. My baby is eating. Say hello. Hi. Oh. And this is his food. We have another one with him. So thank you all for watching. Please, if today is the first time you're seeing this face, do me well to subscribe. Don't be in a hurry to go. I beg of you. Be part of this family. You see, a baby said you should be part of this family and you will never regret joining us. So I'll let you guys be for now. Love you all and appreciate every one of you as always. Bye bye.